Next question is very important. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square whose area is 400 centimeter square, and the length of the rectangle is 40% more than the side of the square. Then find the area of a rectangle. Of course, it is related to mensuration part. Logically, we need to depend on what formula base only. Need not to worry. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square. What do you mean by rectangle? Rectangle is nothing but which has length and breadth. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Nothing is there. 2 into L plus B. Is there any confusion? 2 into L plus B is there. So that is equal to what? That is a very important point. 2 into L plus B is equal to, the rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square. Yes, rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Then what about square? Square means every side is equal. A. That's it. Area of a square is nothing but A square. Perimeter of a square is nothing but 4A, right? But the given condition is very important condition. What is that given condition? That's very important point. The given condition is what? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square whose area is 400 centimeter square. Of course, he has given a square value also 400 centimeters. A square value is given as what? 400 centimeters. There is another issue. Centimeter square. There is another issue. Right? The first condition is very powerful. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to the perimeter of a square. 4A. Perimeter of square is 4A. 2 into L plus B equal to 4A. And of course, according to the given logic, A square is 400. Then A equal to what? A equal to 20, right? Root over 400. 20. So 2 into L plus B. 2 ones are 2 twos are gone. Logically, L plus B is equal to 2 into 20 value will be 40. Logically, directly we can take 2 into 20 as 40, right? 2 into 20 will be 40. Yes, L plus B value is what? 40. One more given condition is very important. The length of the rectangle is 40% more than the side of a square. Side of a square is nothing but 20. The length of the rectangle is 40% more. The length of the rectangle is 40% more than side of a square. What is 40% of 20? 40% of 20 we need to calculate, right? So 8 extra, logically 28 extra. Yes or no? 28 extra. L will be 28. Length is, so 10%. Actually, we need to calculate 40%. 40% is nothing but 8 extra. 20 plus 8, 28. Logic, observe clearly. L plus B is 40 meters. 28 plus B will be 40. Then B will be what? 12, right? Yes, B is 12. So I need to find the, what is the final question we have? I need to find the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is nothing but L into B, right? L into B we need to do. That's it. That thing is there. L into B. L value 28, B value 12. Centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square. That is another issue. So 28 to 2 times, 10 times. Let's go for 28 10 times. 280. 28 2 times. 56. 280 plus 56 is what? 336, I think so. So yes, we'll have 336. Whatever the answer, we don't want. 336 can be our answer. 28 2 times 56. Logically 28 for 10 times 280 plus 56, 336 centimeter square. Nothing is there. Make it simple, don't make it as complicated. Okay, let's go for the next question.